to enable USB debugging on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn on USB debugging through the developer options on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. From there, tap on Software Information. At this point, look for Build Number and tap on it 7 times in a row. After a few taps, you'll see a message saying you are becoming a developer. Keep tapping until it says Developer Mode has been enabled. In the next step, go back to the main settings page and scroll down. You'll now see Developer Options in the list. Tap on Developer Options to open it. Following this, scroll down until you find USB debugging. Tap on the toggle next to USB debugging to turn it on. At this stage, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Tap OK to allow USB debugging. From here, connect your Android device to your PC using a USB cable, and USB debugging will now be active. Finally, keep in mind that USB debugging should only be enabled when you need it. Once you're done, it's a good idea to go back and toggle it off to keep your device secure. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable USB debugging on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.